Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another drink video for you all. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a Bailey's strawberries and cream shortcake martini. So what I'm going to be using is the Bailey's strawberry and cream, the Pinnacle's cake, vodka. I'm going to be putting some simple syrup in it as well. And then just for the garnish, I have some strawberry syrup, whipping cream, and then I have some crunch or strawberry shortcake crunch crumbles. And you can just make these by grinding up some golden Oreos, put in your strawberry jello mix, a little butter, and just mix it all together. So I have my shaker with some ice in it. I'm gonna pour in 3 shots of the Bailey's strawberries and cream. I'm gonna do 1 shot of the cake vodka. And you can pour in as much as each of these as you would like. You can make it really strong or however you want to make it. And then I'm going to pour in my simple syrup. Just going to get the top on. Give it a good shake so it's nice and cold. Pour that in my glass. Then I'm just going to put my whipped cream on top. I'm going to pour some of my strawberry syrup on there. Some of my crumble pieces. And some cut up strawberries. You can add a little strawberry to the side. And there you have it, guys. My Bailey's strawberries and cream shortcake martini. So I hope you all enjoy this video today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.